Hello again. So another quick one. Somebody had asked me why can't I extrude my outer perimeters around my light boxes, logos, whatever. So if you drew it, it's going to be on a sketch. Easiest way to find broken lines, you see it's not blue. That means there's a broken line. It's not completed all the way around. Easiest way to find it, if you drew it, there's going to be white dots at the end of the breaks, line breaks. So if you didn't see the white dots, easiest way to do this, draw a line all the way across, and then start dragging it down. See, the top half is filled, bottom half is not. Just keep dragging it down. Oh, see, now you know that the break is above the line because it's not filled in. Now you know it's below it. You can find it, you can narrow it down pretty easy by doing that. You can draw the line any different direction you want to, up and down, left, right, whatever. Drag it where you need it, find the break in the line, fix the break in the line, complete. So that one is fixed. Okay, so same thing, if it's going across two lines, that means that you have a break somewhere. So you have to find that break. Ultimately, if you're drawing the sketch, you'll see the white dots and you'll be able to connect them together. Next example, if you import a SVG, there's a lot of bad SVG imports. Whenever you convert a SVG, sometimes the lines are not connected. And then you'll ask me, why can't I export, or why can't I extrude the G when it lets me extrude everything else? So you don't have a G. That's because the line is broken. So if you come back, do the same thing. Do the line test. Draw a line across. Drag the line to the G. You can see that the top part of the G is complete. The bottom half has the broken line. Just keep dragging it down. Drag it down. You see it's still below. Okay, now it's above the line. So you can kind of narrow it down. Oh, there's the break. Now you can come in here, connect the broken line, and then you're good to go. Now you can delete this line, finish. Well, let me go back to edit this, extrude. Now you can do the G, and it's done. That's all there is to it.